So I'm going to talk about Aje Shalunga. And Aje Shalunga is the Orisha in charge of wealth, and she's related to a local. Sometimes it's frustrating because I see a lot of people who have shrines of Aje Shalunga, and there will be both in the United States and Brazil, and there will be these grandiose, huge shrines to Aje Shalunga, yet they don't have some of the basic requirements for the shrine. So yes, you're supposed to have a lot of shells, but the main things that you need are the actual Aje shells, aluminum shells, uh, as well as cowrie shells. So I have like a sea sponge. This is an African sponge, but it's actually made from uh, sea material. Um, I have these special white shells. I also have these other white shells. There's the Aje shells come in two varieties. So it's this, which is the tiger uh, shell, which it's a lot easier to find. Um, but these are the actual Aje shells. So these actually come from Africa. Look like that, and you should have at least 8 of them, preferably 12 um, to 16. And these are the main parts of the shrine. And when I was talking about alokum shells, they're like this. They're specific type of clam shell. We actually use these for alokum as well as also in the Wata cult, which is a Voodoo, as most people know. And I actually have a piece of like old whale ivory, different shells, money. You see I have shells all over the pot, piece of effluent. This is actually branch coral. This is regular pieces of coral. And often I don't see this either, which this is cuttlefish. This is cuttlefish bone. Well, it's not. It's really relative to the squid. So when they die, they leave this kind of exoskeleton, and it's brittle. And this little mermaid. It's effluent. And then other parts is just cowrie shells. Lots of different cowrie shells. I have purple ones. I have African ones. I have ones from open, close. And then at the lid I have all shells. And then on the shrine I also have a larger shell here. So yeah, that's the Aje shrine.